Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. We are back with the one more video that is logical function, but with this time that is with multiple if. When you have multiple conditions, you can make use of multiple if. For example, I just put a column course and I want to assign some discount as per the course. For example, I have some different courses like BCA, MCA, BBA, and I have three unique courses. Here you can see it is BCA, MCA, or BBA. I have a different discount criteria that I will writing here. MCA, MBA, BBA. So this is my criteria to give the discount. That 4,000 for BCA, say 5,000 for MCA, and 45 for BBA. So now I have three conditions to check. So here we can't apply the if function. So we have to use multiple if instead of if function. So multiple if, that means you want to check from the start BCA. If it is BCA, then you have to put the value 4,000. If it is MCA, then put the value 5,000. If it is again BBA, then put the value 45. Now put 1, 2, and 3 brackets so that it will properly close, and now it will be worked. So that we have assigned the fees as per the condition. So this is simple example of multiple if.